Indian lead right to the bag. A disgusted Lomo touches it up, and that'll do it. 3 runs for the Tribe, and wow, Lomo can't believe it. Ball looked fair.
I thought it looked fair.
I didn't think it was close.
Unless it hit Moss at the plate. If it hit his foot or something first.
Mm-hmm.
I can't see anything there.
It went. Ball starts. Missed him. Goes foul. Comes back.
Didn't appear that it hit him at all. No, it didn't hit him.
Close.
No.
Not close.
See the way he just kind of stumbled a little bit?
Bag.
Did I get it? Okay, there you go.
Indians manager Terry Francona still a little, no, not a little, a lot exercised over that last call. The ground out that was ruled a 3 unassisted off the bat of Moss.
I don't think he's going to win the argument, but he's going to let him hear what he has to say. And not happy at all. They changed the call.
He wanted Moss with a couple men aboard, his power hitter, to get another shot at swinging the bat. Bring the entire staff in. Jeff Kellogg is the crew chief. Then they're bringing in Pat Hoberg.
We had this discussion and it's over with. So now we're going to, oh boy, now they're going over to Lloyd.
Here we go. They're not reviewable here. Jeff Kellogg going down into the dugout. Talk to Lloyd. Call the official score, I guess.
Curtis in my ear said, I've never seen this before. I'll tell you what, I haven't either.
There's a whole pack of this in that.
Wow.
Game's under protest.